Should we be using hashtags when posting here on LinkedIn? Well, I'm a firm believer that we should be. Let me explain why. You see, when we're posting here on LinkedIn, only a small percentage of people are actually ever going to see any of our posts. But if we include some hashtags, like you can see on this post I did a few weeks ago, it gives people another opportunity to find our content. Now, most people probably know you can use the search function here on LinkedIn to find a particular person or to find a particular job title. I've keyed in office manager. Let's press enter and see what comes up. Up comes over 84,000 results for the job title office manager here within Australia. So other than using the search bar like I just showed you for you to find people with a certain job title, people also search not only here on LinkedIn, but across social media via hashtags. So when I was promoting one of my YouTube videos recently on this particular topic, should we be using hashtags on LinkedIn, I included 3 hashtags, and you can see when I hover over them, they start to hyperlink. So increasingly, people are using hashtags in the search bar up the top as well to find particular content, or people can click on that and it will then bring up all that content that has that hashtag included. So the hashtag LinkedIn hashtag not only brings up my particular video, but it also brings up the other posts that have included that same hashtag as well. And here's another example that I've used recently promoting the new YouTube feature, the handle symbol. I've used the relevant hashtags there as well. Now, you might be thinking, Mark, I'm not using hashtags. That's okay. But remembering when we're posting on LinkedIn, it's not about ourselves, it's about our audience. And I created a recent poll here on LinkedIn just asking the question, do you use hashtags on LinkedIn? And 66% of people said yes when posting themselves. And a third example I'm going to show you, this was another one of my videos that I put to my YouTube channel recently, all about the perfect LinkedIn post. I've used the hashtag LinkedIn, LinkedIn for Business, LinkedIn posts, and my own name as a hashtag. So if you're wanting to increase the chances of any of your posts here on LinkedIn being seen by more people, add 3 to 5 relevant hashtags, because what it may do, it may start dragging in extra people who start searching for a particular hashtag. They then find your content here on LinkedIn. Once they've found your content, the opportunities may open up, and who knows where that will take both of you.